Sit on your bench with your dumbbell on the floor in front of you. Brace your working elbow against the inside of your thigh and grip your dumbbell. Inhale and brace the opposing arm against your other leg and prepare the body for effort. Exhale, raising the dumbbell for flexing bicep, and inhale as you lower the dumbbell with control to the starting position. Repeat with both arms with good form for your program reps. This exercise is the dumbbell concentration curl. It's an awesome exercise to target your biceps and to create more integrity in your elbow joint. I've got a dumbbell and a bench. Let's jump into it. The concentration curl gives you an opportunity to isolate and dig into that bicep and get a much better mind-body connection to your arms. Notice how Katie is keeping her elbow on the inside of her thigh and flexing strong through the bicep with control as she comes down and all the way up. Man, you keep that up, you're gonna need a license for those. Nice job, Katie.